Over the past 50 years, fiber-reinforced polymer composites have revolutionized the way we design and realize lightweight structures. Today, composites are everywhere, ranging from small components for biomedical application to huge parts for wind turbine blades. The Achilles heel of composite production is the poor recyclability, which ultimately also affects the sustainability of this technology. This is why recyclable thermoplastic-based composites are the lightweight material of the future. Thermoplastic composites have been around for decades, but their cumbersome processing and cost-intensive production have limited their wider application. The bottleneck of the manufacturing process is the impregnation phase, namely the combination of the glass fiber with the thermoplastic matrix. Our invention is based on a new impregnated material in which each single filament is coated with the right amount of thermoplastic polymer in order to promote consolidation during processes and minimize void content. The coating process is implemented in line with the glass fiber production to facilitate scale-up. We have already demonstrated that bicomponent fiber exhibit superior properties in achieving high-quality parts. Our bicomponent fiber technology will make the production of large composite structure more sustainable and economically viable.